Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export contacts from Insightly. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into your Insightly account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to the left panel and go to your contacts. Okay. Now, if you just want to export a single contact, you can go ahead and do so by just locating the contact. For example, Mr. Morg Secta in here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the three dots. Now go ahead and export to vCard. Okay. Or export to MailChimp, or even email this contact. Okay. For this example, I'm just going to be using export to vCard. Click on it. Now here's the contact. Okay. Now, if you want to export all of your contacts, well, all you have to do is just go ahead and scroll up. Now make sure to click on this box right here at the top left, which is the first. Okay. Click on it. And as you can see, all of your contacts right here will be highlighted. Now, what do we do next? All you have to do is just go to the top, click on more with the drop down, click on it. Now go ahead and click on export to CSV or even export to MailChimp. Okay. I'm just going to use CSV right here just for you to see. And it says here, your data export was queued successfully. You will receive the export via email that is tied to your Insightly account. Now you should receive the same exact email. Okay, just go ahead and click on download file, wait for it to finish, and in here is your downloaded or exported contacts. I'm going to double click on it just for you to see. I'm going to maximize this one like so, and as you can see here, all of your contacts will be listed in here. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.